Pomegranate molasses has been one of my go-to ingredients basically since we started doing Beat a long time ago. It's something that you would find on the Middle Eastern cuisine shelves. It's basically just reduced pomegranate juice. So it's tart, it's sweet, it's thick and viscous. I absolutely love it. I use it in lots of different ways. I'm gonna show you a few different ways that I use it now. When I'm making a salad dressing, would be like a little Dijon mustard, some red wine vinegar, and then what I do is I put the salt and the pepper in now so it dissolves. And I just, I start to whisk up the Dijon and the vinegar together. Then I add a little bit of pomegranate molasses. Actually chills out the vinegar and the Dijon. And then I slowly add some extra virgin olive oil into the dressing. And I like my dressings to be a little bit acidic forward. So somewhere about 2 to 1, two parts olive oil to 1 part vinegar. So we can just kind of just pour this on top of our salad. My salads never look this pretty on Beat. Next thing I like to do is one of my favorite quick but very flavorful and very effective condiments is taking Greek yogurt, a little bit of fresh mint, salt, a little black pepper, and then I take our extra secret ingredient, some pomegranate molasses, and I pour the molasses right on top, just like this, all right? Now I wanna get that sort of marbling effect. So what I do is I take a spoon and I just kinda do like a figure 8 situation. I wanna keep the beautiful pristine color of the white yogurt, the green specks of the mint, the black pepper, and the pomegranate molasses just kinda seeping through. I'll just put it right on my board here. When I wanna plate this, it looks something like that. So you can kinda see every single thing. And you get the pomegranate molasses, the tartness from the yogurt, the herbaceousness from the mint, and of course that pepperiness from the black pepper. A lot of my very savvy opponents bring bacon into the game whenever they can. And you know what? It's a smart move. Almost every single judge is gonna be wowed by bacon in general. So what can I do to make bacon plus? I've used my secret ingredient, pomegranate molasses, in this glaze as well. Let me show you how you do it. The first thing you do is you wanna make sure that you cook the bacon evenly. So I like to cook my bacon in the oven. I lay it on a sheet tray. You wanna get it nice and crispy. Take it out, let it cool, pat it dry from any of the bacon fat that's sort of pooling on top of it. You want it to be very, very dry. And then what I do is I make a very quick glaze. Again, just a couple of ingredients, but tons of flavor. Some Dijon mustard, some black pepper, some salt, pomegranate molasses. I just whisk this up, and then while my bacon is still warm, I just glaze the bacon. And as the bacon cools, the glaze becomes part of the bacon and almost becomes like bacon candy. And then you have pomegranate glazed bacon. My opponent made bacon, but it doesn't have that pomegranate glaze on it. That's what gets me the victory, sometimes.